Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan umisan ka? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka.
Ibibigay ngayong kahirap na itong ating buhay. Meron pang timola, ramon, kasakitin, Happy New Year, mapupuspon, at ang hamon ay mauuwi sa bago. Iyang buwan o ginarughan sa mga Kristohanong katauhan.
Sapit na siw sa adlaw sa kalangitan, angay ka namang pasalamatan, tinugan sa tanan, Diyos nga gabhanan. Hari ka sa tanan, santunin niyo ko, o Ginoo, sa imong kaluoy gisapnay mo kami.
Baga from the University of Southern Philippines Foundation. Asa naman akong pinaskuhan. There you go. Why don't you give yourselves a round of applause? Daghang kayong salamat for spending time with us, because every Christmas we share our blessings to people we love, right? A feeling of joy, happiness, and fulfillment every time we give a gift to somebody who we really care about. Big or small gifts. Salamat. And Mr. Michael Lullier, President and CEO of M. Lullier Financial Services. Thank you. Daghang salamat. For once again putting up this huge Christmas tree. This is an iconic Christmas tree, I'm telling you. If you're from Luzon, Mindanao, any part of the country, you would want to come to Cebu this season just to take a picture with that tree. Isn't that right? Now, this tree, which gives smiles, happiness, and hope to the Cebuanos, is truly, again, an icon here at the center, at the heart of our city. Again, truly, you're gifted to give. Daghan kayong salamat. Now, tonight's activity will not be possible without the support and leadership of our beloved mayor, the very active action mayor of Cebu City. How about a round of applause, Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia. tonight and to say Merry Christmas to everyone. The chairman of the board of M. Louvier Financial Services Incorporated. Let's give him your loudest applause, Señorito Michel Louvier.
Maayong gabi sa tinyong tangan. Salamat ko ni Mayor Raymond Garcia na kitagaan may permiso para pagtupo din ng among simbolo sa Christmas. Ito mo sa dili 24 years na ni pagsugod na mo direksos. Wakay tao pero karon karon na kaming tao. Katong sa kagabi, tingnan ko, December 1, mo man lighting ta. Pero ko, buot Ginoo sa ba, sige magkuhan na nahimo man swimming pool ang puwente. So nalibang ka 24 at tuig kaning 110.3 pabinahon ni mo taas kayo na wag ko may baho kung asa pa dunay pareho kataas ini kaya kani among gihalad sa inyo.
Please join us on stage, Mardam Sinans. We would like to ask Action Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia to please join us as we hand over this token.
Tayo na sa M. Louvier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Tayo na sa M. Louvier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ang buhay ay isang paglalakbay, bawat isa'y nais. Tayo na sa M. Louvier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Ito ang tulay ng iyong pangarap, ang tulay ng pag-asa, tulay sa paginhawa ng pamilya mo. Tayo na sa M. Louvier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
And there you have it. But every Cebuano here and abroad, we'd also like to listen to a very special message from the father of our city. Ladies and gentlemen, a Christmas message from the Action Mayor of Cebu City, Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia.
May gabi ka na tong tanan. May gabi! Sa kapila ka tuig kung magbalik-balik sa kani atong tree lighting, karon pa ko kita ngayon ani kadaghan ang tao. Masipang pakpak alang sa tanan. Of course, I would like to acknowledge and recognize Señorito Michelle Lulier. Let's give him a big round of applause. Bilib gayo ko, he spoke straight in Cebuano. A true blue Cebuano himself, no? Can I mention, sir, that you are already this age? Yeah. Señorito Michelle is already 83 years old. Can you imagine? Lagsik pa kayo, mayo pa kayo. When I grow up, sir, I want to be like you. Of course, I'd also like to greet the family. Sir Michael is here. Let's give him a big round of applause. Ma'am Joanna, let's give her a big round of applause. And San Matthew, let's give him a big round of applause. Napo dire ang akong kauban sa konseho, ang tinud-anay nga konsehal sa Dakbayan sa Sugbo. Ang waykol ba atong amigo, konsehal Jun Alcober, atong hatagag masipa kayong pakpak. Wow, nasa dire, who has been very instrumental in making this happen. Attorney Joyce Robin, let's give her a big round of applause. Napo dire ang atuang department heads headed by our city administrator, Attorney Christine Batucan. Let's give her a big round of applause. O balik dire December 1 every year to light up the Christmas tree. And many of you may not know, kasagaran ninyo wa mahibaw unsay history ni ini. In the year 2000 or 24 years ago, then Mayor Alvin Garcia, who happens to be my father, requested the Dulier family, headed by, of course, Señorito Michelle, to put up a Christmas tree here in the Fuente Rotonda. And they obliged. Hatag dayon mi og permit kay para mahuman dayon ang Christmas tree. Because para sa Cebu City, ang Pasko manggod is the most festive of all seasons. And Christmas brings out the smile in everybody, especially the children. And there is always hope when you talk about Christmas. So why don't spread it throughout our city, not only in malls, not only in enclosed places, but why not in parks as well? Kini nga pamilya mo'y nag-una og butang og Christmas tree. Wa pa ng Manila, wa pa ng Makati, ug unsa pa na diha. M. Lulier came first over everybody else. Mao na nga dako kayo migpasalamat. So 24 years ago, nisugot dayon sila nga mubutang sila og Christmas tree sa Fuente Rotonda.
There you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request by 4, 3, 2, 1.